We're all trying to come up with great ways to create content for social media, for blogs, for live content, for reels, for TikTok, YouTube shorts, you name it, all of that. But guess what? Some of you are all using ChatGPT, but did you know Canva also has magic? Right? Yeah. So here we go. Let's do this. Let's test them both out at the same time. And then I'll come back and give you my tips on working with artificial intelligence. You know, I'm not the person that loves acronyms. It's just not who I am. So here we go. Here's ChatGPT and here is Canva. Before we do this side by side, because I got an idea, let me show you how to find the artificial intelligence within Canva. When you are on a computer, you can also do it from a mobile device. Come see another video. When you click Docs, and then you choose a doc, and we're starting with a blank doc, you simply need to click on this plus sign and choose Magic Write. That easy. And then you're going to ask it a question. So let's do this. Let's test this out at the same time. So let's put, here we go. Let's get rid of this one. Yeah, let's do this. Bam. So you know I've already asked a question. So now we've got ChatGPT over here. ChatGPT versus Canva Magic Write. So let's ask it a question. Tips to starting a garden indoors for spring. Tips to starting a garden indoors for spring. So we're just going to click enter here, and then we're going to click enter here. Oh, I didn't do my Magic Write. There we go. Magic Write. Bam. They're both pretty quick, except in ChatGPT, you can see it's writing. In Canva, it just gives you all of them at the same time. Now, let's full disclosure, you're going to see my ring light because I need to put glasses on to see the one. Oh, I mean, I'll just zoom in. Man, GPT is still working, or OpenAI. Let's go and make this one bigger so we can see them side by side. So while that's still working over to my left, so here we go. Tips to starting a garden indoors for spring, Magic Write. Starting a garden indoors for spring is a great way to get a jumpstart on the growing season. Here are a few tips. Choose the right plants for your indoor garden. Look for plants that require low light, since most indoor spaces do not get much sunlight. Let's go see what this one gave us. OpenAI, ChatGPT. Choose the right location. Pick a location in your home that receives enough natural light for your plants to thrive. Decide on the container side. Let's see. Make sure you have enough space. Number 3, choose your plants. Kind of the first one here. Invest in the right materials. We got number 4, use high quality soil. Number 4, make sure you water regularly. Water regularly. Number 6, monitor the temperature. Number 5 over here, place your plants in a spot that gets enough sunlight. Good luck with the garden. And then his one, number 7, fertilize as needed. Pick one. They're both really good. They're both really good. Should we do this again? Let's do it again. Let's click the plus sign, Magic Write. And then we're going to come over here. Now, you could always start a new chat. You could always start a new doc, but let's just stay within the same doc. How about quick ways to give your kitchen a facelift? We're making that up. Enter. That's thinking. Then we come over here, same thing, ChatGPT. This one, I kind of like the OpenAI that it types it out for me. I can see what's happening. Magic Write, boom, it's just done. Reorganize your cabinets and drawers. Rearranging can give you a fresh look. Add some new hardware. Paint the cabinets. We did that. Change out the lighting fixtures. Install new lighting. Add a backsplash. Hang some artwork. Install a new countertop. I'm starting to think this one's fast. Paint your cabinets. Add new hardware. Install new lighting. Replace backsplash. Add a rug. I'm not adding a rug to my kitchen. Oh, but I might add like one of those mats in front of the dish, in front of the sink, so it's like cushy because you stand there to wash dishes. If you wash dishes, not the dishwasher. organize your space. So kind of the same concepts. Here's what's great about both of these. The cool thing about both of them is you can use them at no cost. You can upgrade ChatGPT, and then you can also upgrade Canva. The difference is ChatGPT as of today, when I'm recording this video, is $20 a month if you upgrade, and Canva is $10 a month. And then you get all of the pro features within Canva, and there's a whole lot more you can do. I'm going to need ChatGPT to drop the price, because I could write a blog post. There's so many things you could do with this. One, it's artificial intelligence. And I know ChatGPT, I got to go research Canva, goes back to like 2021, but I have figured out, because I have a blog, that I can ask it to pull from my blog. So it'll go back to older dates, or if I use a specific blog post. The other thing is, let it help you think. So let it help you come up with the content. And then once it comes up with the content like it did, put it in your own words. You don't talk like that. You don't even write like that. Some of you don't even write. So cheers to someone else creating the content for you, and then you make it your own. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I look forward to educating all of you. And this is really good for a real estate agent, an entrepreneur, or just maybe someone that is trying to get out here on YouTube. Thanks for watching. If you like that video, check out the power of ChatGPT for real estate agents and ways to use ChatGPT as an agent.